Hello, writers. I'm pretty excited because for the next 2.5 weeks, we're going to be doing a lot of writing. And you're going to create and imagine, and we're going to work together and listen and use resources. So today marks the official first day of your writer's workshop. So, what are we going to do today? Today, you're going to work on learning how to ride a bike. No, we're not going to be doing that today. Today, it's going to feel like you're riding a bike. It's going to feel a little wobbly. You're going to feel not so confident. Today, you're planning your story. And planning your story requires time, effort, and commitment. So when you plan a story, some people use graphic organizers. Some people use sticky notes. Some people use index cards. I know my sister-in-law, she's a children's author. She uses index cards and then she can move them around. But essentially, what she does is she spends a lot of time planning. And her style is different than my style, but it's still the same thing. All good writers have to plan their story. So one of the things that I want you to learn today is something I use quite a bit. It's called the internal and the external story arc. And I want you to notice that it looks kind of like a triangle behind me, right? So we have external and internal. So what does that mean? Basically, it's that outside, almost triangle. We can call it inverted V. That outside is called your external story arc, which means it's kind of like the events that happen in your story. And I'll show you I'll show you in this lesson how to do that. You're going to be doing all of that. Then if you notice, you'll have the internal, which is that inside here, the one I'm pointing at. And that means that for every event that happens, there is an internal reaction, a feeling or a thought that your character has. Again, you're going to be planning two: external, which is all the events of a story, and the internal, the thoughts and the feelings that your character experiences because of that event. So let's go into detail about what I'm expecting you all to do today. Today, I want you to think about this story graphic organizer that I put together for you. This is an internal and external story arc. And now I'm going to post this in Google Classroom as a Google slide. And what you'll notice is you'll have, let me get my clicker for you, and then I'm going to point out some things that are really cool about this. All right, so what's to be expected? Today in ELA, the entire time for ELA, you're going to listen to this screencast, and then you're going to finish the screencast, and you're going to click on this link right here. See this link? That's your first step. Step one is click on that. And that link is going to walk you through my thinking. I will be filling out half of my story arc. I'm writing a story as well. So I'm filling it out, the external part, and I'm filling out the internal part. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I'm modeling for you, not like a supermodel, because as you can tell from looking at me, it's definitely not happening for me. I'm modeling. I'm actually showing you how to do it. So I want you to watch that movie. Do not skip. I know it's hard and it's painful to watch Mrs. Garrett talk in the video. And I haven't become viral yet. I wonder why. Oh, well, that's another story. So as you're watching this movie, as you click on here, you'll watch me fill it out. Then you go back to your slide and you fill out yours. Now you're like, do I have to finish all of it? Yes, you do. You have to finish all of the external and all of the internal. And then you have to complete these boxes. When you click on this link, you'll understand that it's not going to be, I'm not asking for paragraphs. I'm looking for little phrases. I'm just ideas. So like 3 or 4 words for each box is fine. Make sure I can read it. So your font size has to be super small, but not so small that I have to go to an eye doctor to see. So at the end of ELA, you take your story arc that you have completed and you click turn in. I want to see an attachment there. If you click turn in and I don't see any work, unfortunately, I'm going to have to contact you. And then the next day, when we sit down for conference, I'm going to say these words. Okay, take out your external and internal story arc. You'll open up your Google Classroom, and then you'll show me. Now, I'll be able to see it in Google Classroom anyway, but then we can have a conversation about what makes sense. Maybe we'll move events around. Maybe I'll talk to you about a climax. Maybe we'll talk about, maybe you struggled with it and I can help you with that. Regardless, I want everything completed. Even if you don't 100% understand, I want you to try. And I want you to look at mine as an example. All right. I hope that you guys enjoy planning your stories today. I'm super excited. The better job you do planning and thinking, the better your story is going to come out. It's like the foundation to a house. A house can't be built without a strong foundation, and this planner is your strong foundation. Over and out.